What is the cost of land survey in Bangalore? What is the highest salary for a land surveyor? How land survey is done in Bangalore? What is the cost of land survey in Bangalore? Scon Design India Private Limited is a leading name in the field of land surveying in Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Limited provides comprehensive land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction surveys, and more. The company uses advanced surveying equipment and techniques to provide accurate and reliable results to its clients. The cost of land surveying services offered by Scon Design India Private Limited is competitive and transparent. The cost of land surveying also depends on the purpose for which it is required. For example, if the land survey is required for obtaining a building permit or for a construction project, it may cost more than a simple boundary survey. Scon Design India Private Limited offers customized land surveying solutions based on the specific requirements of its clients. Scon Design India Private Limited is one of the leading land surveying companies in Bangalore. Generally, the cost of land surveying in Bangalore can range anywhere from 10,000 rupees to Rs. 50,000 or more. Scon Design India Private Limited has a team of experienced and qualified surveyors who use the latest technology and equipment to ensure precise results. What is the highest salary for a land surveyor? One company that offers competitive salaries for land surveyors is Scon Design India Private Limited. The company has a reputation for offering attractive compensation packages to its employees, including land surveyors. However, those who work for companies like Scon Design India Private Limited can expect to earn a highly competitive salary that reflects their skills and expertise in the field. The highest salary for a land surveyor varies depending on the level of experience and the responsibilities involved. In general, a senior land surveyor who has several years of experience can earn up to in rate 10 lakhs per annum in India. Working for Scon Design India Private Limited as a land surveyor comes with several benefits, including professional development opportunities, a supportive work environment, and competitive compensation packages. Scon Design India Private Limited is one of the companies that offer attractive compensation packages to land surveyors based on their skills and expertise levels. How land survey is done in Bangalore? Land surveying is significant because it measures and maps land to establish its boundaries, topography, position, and orientation. Many Bangalore companies offer land surveying services to clients who need reliable land information. GPS devices, total stations, levels, and theodolites are commonly used in land surveying. These tools measure land sites' distance, elevation, and angle. They hire highly skilled and experienced surveyors who understand land surveying techniques and processes. Scon Design also has a team of professionals who analyze survey data and create detailed reports for clients. This includes acquiring information about the land's location, size, shape, and any natural or man-made elements that may affect the survey. Trees, rivers, and hills will be recorded as well. In conclusion, land surveying in Bangalore is necessary to precisely measure and map land. Scon Design provides dependable and accurate land surveying services in Bangalore. Their surveys are accurate and dependable because they use the newest technology and equipment, and a team of professionals analyzes the data and writes detailed results. Thanks for watching.